Okay, let's go.
Take that, rewind it back. Ursher got the voice to make your booty go.
At andito na naman po tayo, mga usual.
Sama-sama na naman po kami. Okay guys, another day, another car meet event. We're here at Auto Complex, and of course, ang ating host for today is Hatis. Yan. Thank you so much for the invite, Hatis. And tignan natin yung kanilang mga cars. Dami nagbago dito sa Auto Complex. May bagong coffee shop na nagbukas. And car display. And of course,
Thank you.
you know, yung dalawa, oh, yung mga bossing natin, mga idol natin, oh, mga 1 million subscriber.
Ano yung 1,000?
500,000 subscriber. Grabe.
Hey guys, kaming tatlo lagi nyo na kami makikita kasi itong All About Us Become Legendary sa Joms TV.
Driver reveal po, driver reveal.
Ano po eh?
Save na lang, save na lang.
Let's check it out. Kung gusto nyo maging healthy, check out.
Training at YTE. Meron po kaming TikTok shop. Yan po. Hanapin nyo lang po ang LP mo, Asia Fit and Cassie's. Daw po. Thank you. Ganda yan, sir.
Experience to, ma'am, di ba?
Yes po. With the nerd dyan, sir, is premium. Kaya safe.
You know, ano masasabi mo?
Feeling ko fit na ako eh. Nag-fit na ako agad
Sir,
eh.
Asia Fit araw-araw.
Asia Fit araw-araw.
Yan. Thank you po.
Asia Fit araw-araw.
Let's go, Hatis! Asia Fit!
Bilis ng effect.
Paris.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Asia Fit araw-araw.
Gusto mo, may energy ka pa? Ready, 3, 2, 1, go po! Thank you po!
Alright guys, we are here at Auto Complex, Quezon City for the Hatis exclusive meet. Ayan po sila. Of course, I'm with Joms TV Media and Become Legendary. And we also have here a special guest, Mr. Lance Casio, photography. Musta, brother?
Thank you, Edgar. Mr. All About Cars.
Ayun. Follow nyo to, napakagaling pumitik nito. Lance Casual Photography. Ayan. Ikutan natin sila and let's see what Hotties Car Club Philippines has. And Miss... Hi, Miss Coco.
Yeah, member of Hotties.
Member Hotties. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
So, ano ba talaga ang dinadrive ng mga hotties? So, tara, ikutan natin. Clean. Napaka-clean. Sa 3-door Jimny. Ayan, mga kasama nating media. Hi, Lux.
Ayan na, ito po ano.
Ayan na.
Go Tito Jones.
Ano pong ginagawa natin dyan?
Love po.
Hindi na makatayo. Hindi na makatayo.
Nag-Asia fit ako eh.
Ay, okay.
Ito, meron din.
Mr. Miko M. In the house.
Salamat.
Yeah.
Only legends have it.
Pero inaabangan ko yung sticker ni Lance. Oo. Lance. Nasaan na?
Meron ganun. Team tsaka pink. Team tsaka pink.
dito guys mag-meet ang Hatis. Tapos ito po ang ito po ang teacher.
Siya po yung principal.
Ayan o. Mr. Captain and Chrome all the way from Tagaytay. Grabe. Ang lupit mo, brother. Promote mo media mo, brother.
Like and subscribe sa aking Facebook, Lenscraft Collective.
Lenscraft Collective.
Yeah.
Yan, sige.
Thank you.
Follow natin yan. Facebook lang, no?
Yes.
Okay. Promote.
Bigo M Visuals. TikTok,
Follow on
Instagram, Facebook. Ah,
Malupit dyan, brother. Malupit dyan. Facebook? Ano?
Max Media.
Max Media. Anong social media?
Max Media in Facebook. Meko ZKS on Insta.
Insta, okay. Brother, may
/Box Media.
/Box Media. Alright. And of course, kilala natin to. Huwag na natin i-promote. Dahil kalat na to sa South.
Dapat meron multi na yun.
Guys, akala ko Hatis event.
Saan nagdikit mo kayo mag-plaza?
Media meet pala tayo.
Meron ka pa nun?
Media meet pala ito.
Lagay sa kanila, lagay sa kanila.
Hindi ba naman?
Ayan o. Yan ang mga pogi nating mga media. Kasama na tayo doon. At ito ang pinaka-master. Ito ang principal. Ito ang principal. Principal suspect. Guys, meet the members of Hatis. Guys, meet the members of Hatis. And ay, iba pala. Members po ng Hatis.
Sa RC, iba na po.
End of the night goes to... Iki! Oh,
Hala!
Ayun, huli ako nakakaya guys, service mo. Babe, pwede mo kayo shades ko din, babe. Oh, ba? Ay, pong bag pa niya po. Pwede mo lang sige, go. Okay, go. Sila. Wait, sir, hindi niya
Oh my God.
Pero ayun, stick mo, take yung stick.
Hindi ba yung ano mo, pinalala mo?
Hey,
Speaking.
Number ata.
Sarap. Favorite post.
Hey! Ano na yung cash mo? Yung cash. Hey guys, Aragis of the night goes to... Angeli! Nagdating mo ba kayo? Oh, later. Kaya pa naman nakapang-prank. So, ayun guys. Kasi yung mga pag nagsaselect din kami ng mga waivers, inaano na namin yung mga time, mga effort nila. Yun yung mga kinoconsider na. Buti pa rin nagdagan tayo.
Wait, di kasama yun.
Ano ba ang sabi? Eh, ay, picture nito. Picture na daw. Wait po, wait po. Ay, siya na po. Gulo na cellphone. Sakit niyo. Wait lang, hindi yan nakita niyo. Minsan lahat dito. Hawakan mo phone. At artist of the night ay hindi dito. Yan. Thank you. Yan. Yan. Para mga assistant ang
Nawala mga media. Nawala sa south. Lance! Grabe. Pwede ka na sa Hatis, Lance. Ray. Okay guys, maraming salamat.
Outro ka na? Outro ka na? Aga naman.
Uwi na tayo.
Uwi na tayo.
Uwi na tayo.
Mga sleep tayo, sleep.
Yun.
Next media.
Yan.
Kay Lozada Media.
Yun.
Ashinshin.
Slashbox.
Yun.
GMA Super Show.
Alright guys, again we are here at Auto Complex and we are here at the Hotties exclusive meet and we thank the admins and organizers of this meet, especially to Miss Asi Ponce. Yun, Miss Asi. Yan, maraming salamat sa pag-invite. Yun. And again, this is Darwin from All About Cars. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and follow our Facebook and YouTube media. Of course, Become Legendary, Jumps TV Media, and of course, Hotties Car Club, Philippines. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the invite. Please watch the full vlog on YouTube, and I'll post it also in Facebook. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Alright, Jumps TV Media. I'm with Miss Natsumi, of course, with Hotties Club PH, and of course, Become Legendary and All About Cars. First of all, we would like to say thank you
Yes.
for having
Thank you
us.
for coming, and I hope you had so much fun.
We had a great time. Thank you for the food, and thank you for having us for this very exclusive meet.
Yeah.
Alright, ma'am. Ano nangyari? What's this meet
today?
all about?
Today is all about sisterhood. So we planned this exclusive bar meet for Hotties and of course for our aspiring members. And it's a collaboration with Hotties and the Auto Complex. And we planned this last year, but I'm so happy that we're doing it today.
Okay, congratulations. Any plans for the next month?
For our plans for the next month, we have a lot ahead. We have a lot of sponsors, activities, and I think this year would be one of the best years of fun.
It's something to look forward
Yeah.
to. Just check out page.
Okay, thehotties.ph.
Alright. Okay. Thank you very much with Miss Natsumi.
Instagram, thehotties.ph.
Thank you very much. Have a great
you.
evening. Happy weekend.
Thank you so much.
Jumps TV Media with All About Cars and Become Legendary. And with the lovely Miss Natsumi. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Auto Complex. Let's
go. Alright guys, Jumps TV Media with Become Legendary and All About Cars and with all the media with Miss Hachi.
Hello, everyone.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Maliit pa rin.
Ma'am, congratulations for being the
Of course,
Miss
Miss Congeniality of the night.
Congratulations.
Thank you sa
ma'am.
Hotties, no? Hindi ko na-expect.
Guys, tingnan niyo ang ganda ng car niya.
Papay tao.
Sobrang bait. Sobrang friendly talaga ni ma'am. Kahit sa B2B nakita natin sa... Alright, ma'am. Anong plans for Hotties? Coming events.
Coming events. Actually, wala pa nasasabi, no?
Okay.
But kasi, if ever na may plans naman, nagsasabi naman sila sa amin sa group.
Oh, okay.
Oo, pero sobrang active. I think once or twice a month
Okay.
kakaroon ng event.
Which is abangan nila saan?
Sa page ng Hatis, of course. Diba?
Saan nila pwede mo follow?
Nahiya ako. Sa Chichinga Please IG, cookies and cream.
Good. Alright. Alright, Jump TV Media with all the members of the media. Oh, ang dami nyo.
Ang dami nga
Basta ang dami nyo.
Ang dami nila.
With Miss Sachi. Thank you very much. Congratulations for this event here at Auto Complex. Jump TV Media and with Miss Nobel and Miss Azzy, together with All About Cars and of course, Become Legendary here at Auto Complex, exclusive meet of hotties. Grabe, solid. Ma'am, first of all, we would like to thank you for having us, all the medias, for inviting us to this event. Yun, ma'am. Ano pala nangyari ulit dito sa event? This is an event of
Yes. This is an event of Hatis exclusive for members, aspirants, and of course our partner medias. So, ginawa namin tong event na to para maging mas close yung isa't isa. And also, most of our aspirants and members are also business owners, beauty queens, and entrepreneurs. So we want everyone to have like a space for them, like a safe space for them.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So that's
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Position sa club.
okay. I am an admin.
So, I'm also an admin of Hatis. So, lately kasi we pursue the Hatis as like safe space for each and everyone. So, we don't want anyone na magkaroon ng hierarchy. That's why we are one of the 6 admins of Hatis. No more president, no more vice president. For equality purposes, walang masusunod na mas mataas. Same voice, same para ang decision is equal and para sa lahat, sa mga girls. So, yun. So, that's why you will meet us at the saying na admins na lang. Wala na, ito yung president namin, ito yung vice president. So, puro admin na lang yung sa Hatis ngayon.
Alright. So, where can they follow you?
You can follow us on Facebook, Hatis Car Club Philippines, on Instagram, the hottest.ph,
And TikTok also.
the hottest PH on TikTok.
Okay. Ma'am, thank you very much. Miss Mabel, Miss Azzy, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Wait,
Thank
Become
you,
Legendary
yeah.
and All About Cars here at Auto Complex. Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nina. I'm driving with the door. Jimmy. Ay, ulit! Hi, Happy. My name is Hans. And I'm driving Jimmy bike. Thank you. Perfect.
Bawi lang.
Okay, paparazzi oh.
Tignan mo yung mags yan, oh.
Sayad kung sayad kung sayad.
Static. Brother, ingat ha.
Ingat.
Parang tuta sa...
Ingat na. Ingat po.